Here we are, air traffic control, directing our traffic. Here we have our planes waiting patiently on the runway, ready to go. Put your head down, Nicole. Okay, where's Nicole's plane? She's the last one in line. First up comes Zachary's plane. Woo! Good job, controllers. Okay, now next up comes Soren's plane. Woo! Keep your head down. Okay, oh, here we go. Nicole's bringing up the rear, but boy, she's got a powerful one there. Woo! Off they go, heads down. Woo! Okay. All right. How about some singing?